These right here are sand pears. In the deep south and through Florida and Alabama and Mississippi, you will find these pear trees called sand pears. And they are a hard cooking pear. And they are fantastic for making cider and pear sauce and pear salsa and sliced pears and pear pie. All kinds of great stuff you can do with them. And I am at a neighbor's house right now. And this tree was planted in 1979. And it's a good solid 35, 40 feet. And a storm came through. Sally knocked a bunch of pears off, so he said, come on down and pick them. So we picked up some off the ground and some off the tree. Nice big, heavy pears with a lot of flesh on them. And, you know, if you plan ahead and you plant yourself some pears now, you know, you're going to be picking them for years and years and years. So this tree here is over 4 decades old, making lots of fruit. But, you know, with fruit trees, you want to plant now. Plant right now, you know. And you're going to be enjoying it long into the future. And even if you move, somebody else is going to be enjoying the pears or the peaches or the plums or whatever you plant. So I was so excited when he said, hey, we got some pears, you know, come on down and pick the pears. There we go. Beautiful pears. Now, for Florida, my favorite variety was pineapple. But there's a bunch of them. There's Baldwin and Hood and Florida Home. And then there's a bunch of kind of unnamed pears, you know, different settler pears, sand pears that you find all over the place. And you might be kind of disappointed when you first try them because, man, these things are hard, but they're made for cooking. This tree right here, it's right next to it. This is a dessert pear. And this one is already done for the season. So he said that they already picked this one out. And he said that's a nice, soft eating pear. So you get your nice, soft dessert pear, eating pear, and then your big, hard pears that you can preserve through the winter. So, you know, if you want one pear tree, I would plant 3 or 4. That's the way to do it. And then with the extras, you share them with your neighbors. So I will be doing some new videos soon, but we just got internet back on our phones and don't actually have power in the house at the moment and some other things. The storm kind of hit pretty hard. But I'll catch up with y'all soon, and I'll try to do a live stream before too long. We'll get back to the good streams and all that. But I just had to show you guys this pear. Hope y'all are doing well. God bless. Until next time, may your thumbs always be green.